Hello students, a very good morning. So, till this date we have discussed various preparation and properties of the compounds formed by transition elements, that is D block elements, their properties, formation of colored compounds, relative properties, magnetic properties, etc. so and so on. Density means melting point, atomic radii. Okay. Now these are with, so today we are done with D block elements. Now we will move to, or we'll jump to F block elements, which is another part of this very chapter. So while going to the F block elements, I have thought that it will be very good for you people if you can have all the D block elements in your grip. If you can have all the D block elements in your grip, so it will be very helpful for you people. So far I remember in class 11, at the very beginning, I have given you one trick to remember periodic table throughout your life, and you can say periodic table within 5 minutes. So some of you may have forgotten also. So our periodic table comprises of 4 blocks, S block, that is 2 groups on the extreme left of the periodic table, P blocks, that is 6 groups on the extreme right of the periodic table, and 10 groups of D block at the middle of the periodic table, and 14 groups or 14 elements of F block containing 2 series lanthanides and actinides on the bottom of the periodic table. Actually these are not at the bottom, these are in between. So lanthanides start after atomic number 57, lanthanides start. Up to 71 you will go for lanthanides, and similarly actinides also, it will start from atomic number 89 to 112. So up to 112 you will go for actinides, that is 14 elements. So before going to lanthanides and actinides, I want that you should at least, we have 4 periods of D block, that is 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. So 4 periods are there, but I think for your final exam as well as entrance exam, so far these are concerned, like NEET, IIT JEE, mains and advanced, you should have in the grip of yours at least 3 series of lanthanides, D block elements. So first D block elements start with the, we have studied already, start with the atomic number 21. The name of the element is scandium. So the first 3D series, 3D series. Okay, so 3D series start with scandium, that is 21, titanium, that is 22, vanadium 23, chromium 24, manganese 25, iron 26, copper 27, nickel 28, copper 29 and zinc 30. 4D series also starts. Then we have we have, after 30, we have 6 elements of P block. Then coming to the next period, we will have 2 elements of S block. So 30 plus 6, 36 plus 2, 38, means the 40 series will start from 39. So it is, first compound is yttrium, second one is zirconium, then third one is niobium, then fourth one is molybdenum, niobium, then molybdenum, then the fifth one is 39 is yttrium, zirconium is 40, niobium is 41, molybdenum is 42, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have technetium, that is 43, then ruthenium 44, then rhodium 45, then palladium 46, then 47 is silver 47, and then cadmium is 48. So these are elements, 10 elements of 4D series. Next we have another 6 elements of P block. So means 48 plus 6, 54. And then we have 2 elements of, then coming back to the next series, we will have 2 elements of S block. So 48 plus 2 or 48 plus 6 will be 54. Then 2 elements of S block will be 55 and 56. Then come to D block. Okay. Then 56, after 56 we will have in 5D series, the elements which we have in 5D series are then lanthanum, then hafnium. So lanthanum is 57, and then here comes atlanthanides, 14 elements. So 57 plus 14 will be 57 plus 14 will be how much? 71. 57 plus 14 will be 71. Then hafnium will be 72. Then tantalum will be 73. Then tungsten will be 74, or wolfram you can say. Then rhenium will be 75. Then ruthenium, then osmium will be 76. Then iridium will be 77. Then platinum 78. Then gold 79, and then mercury 80. Then you have 6 elements of P block, means 86, then 2 elements of S block, means 87 and 88. Then 89 it will be actinium, and from there after 89 we will start our journey for actinides. So that will go afterwards. So I think for your exam purpose or for your throughout of your life, you should know at least these 3D series, 4D series and 5D series. If you do not know their atomic number, you cannot be able to write the electronic configuration. If you cannot write their electronic configuration, you cannot find their oxidation states. So much questions come from this part of your D block elements. So the tricks which I am going to give, I have given also once when you are in class 12. So again I am giving. See, for this 3D series you have to remember one slope, Shakti Vakraman Fikoni Pujan. So Shakti. So if I write like this Shakti, it will be also, you can also write because this is proper noun. So from Shakti we are getting SC for scandium, Ti for titanium, V for vanadium, Cr for chromium, M and N for manganese, Fe for iron, Co for cobalt, Ni for nickel, Cu for copper, Z and N for zinc. So if you can remember this very simple slope, Shakti Vakraman Fikoni Kujan. I remember in class 11 that the tricks to remember periodic table are, for S block we will go group wise, for P block we will go group wise, but for D and F block we will go period wise. Okay, so for S block we will go group wise, for P block we will go group wise, and for D block and F block we will go periodically. Okay, so Shakti Vakraman Fikoni Kujan will give you all the 10 elements of 3D series, or all the 10 transition elements of 3D series. Let's come to 4D series. 4D series, we have yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and mercury. So there is one saying, why Zarnab mu tak ru re per AGCD. So my dear student, see, in village areas where there is nowadays some strictness is there, but at our time when teacher used to come to पाठशाला and used to say, ओए पढ़ रे, मेरा मुंह मत देख, ठीक है. तो एक टीचर ने जर्नब को बोला कि वाई जर्नब मुंह तक रू रे, मेरा मुंह क्यों देख रहा है, वाई जर्नब मुंह तक रू रे. मतलब वाई जर्नब एक लड़का का नाम है. तो टीचर पूछ रहा है वाई जर्नब मुंह तक रू रे, पढ़ मतलब पढ़ाई कर. तो पढ़ बोल के बोलेगा ना ABCD पढ़. तो ABCD बोल नहीं पाया क्योंकि उसका मुंह में पान था. तो उसने बोला पढ़ AGCD. सो वाई जर्नब मुंह तक रू रे सॉरी पढ़ AGCD. तो टीचर ने जर्नब नाम का एक लड़का को बोला, ए जर्नब, वाई जर्नब, मेरा मुंह क्यों देख रहा है, पढ़ाई कर, पढ़ ABCD ना बोल के बोल दिया AGCD. तो वाई जर्नब मुंह तक रू रे पढ़ AGCD. तो इसमें से तुमको मिलेगा वाई से वाई इट्रियम, जेड जर्नब से जेरार जिर्कोनियम, एनबी नियोबियम, मुंह से मिलेगा एमओ मोलिब्डेनम, तक से मिलेगा टीसी टेक्नीशियम, रू से मिलेगा रुथेनियम, रे से मिलेगा रोडियम, पर से मिलेगा पीडी पैलाडियम, और एजी मतलब कॉपर एंड सीडी मतलब cadmium. So this is the, if you can remember this very line, why Zarnab मुतक रूरे per AgCd. Agar if you can remember this line, so I think you will not be able to forget 4D series, the 10 elements of 4D series. Okay, so please go through. If you can just spend half an hour time to remember these lines, you will have in your grip now we are having in our grip 10 plus 10, 20 elements of D block elements, 20 elements of D block family. The next series is 5D series. So here, as I said earlier, after 57, we will get hafnium with atomic number 72. Because here 14 elements of lanthanides will come. 14 elements of lanthanides will come. So the trick to remember this, La hafta, the trick to remember this is La hafta W रे. So कोई बोल रहा है W को ला हफ्ता W रे, तो हफ्ता लेने के लिए बोल रहा है, W को हफ्ता लेने के लिए लेके आने के लिए बोल रहा है. तो फिर हफ्ता क्या लेके आएगा? Definitely something very very precious. So this element osmium is a precious element because it is the only element in the periodic table which has got highest oxidation state. We have studied few days back. So it is the only element in the periodic table which has got +8 oxidation state. So it is a very important element. Iridium and platinum, we know from our organic chemistry knowledge that iridium and platinum, they can be used as catalyst. These are also very important metals. And gold, definitely people know that gold and mercury, they are all very precious. Gold, nowadays also from old days to nowadays even, especially girls have the fascination towards gold. So they want to make gold ornaments. Okay, so gold is very precious metal, and definitely boys also, they are making bracelets, then necklaces. Okay, so gold is a very precious metal. So it is also precious metal, and mercury is also a very precious metal. तो कोई बोल रहा है ला हफ्ता W को बोल रहा है ला हफ्ता W रे, तो क्या लेगा हफ्ता? These 5 elements which are very precious. Osmium is precious in the sense that it is having highest oxidation state. Iridium and platinum are precious because these are the metals which can be used as catalyst in organic reactions. Gold and mercury, we all know that these are very precious material, because without gold no one can make some gold ornaments, and mercury is the only metal which is liquid at room temperature, and for the reason for which it is used in thermometer to measure the body temperature, So this, my dear students, I think now 3D series, 4D series and 5D series is in your grip. So for 3D series we have Shakti, Vakraman, Fico, Nikujan, that is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Then come to 4D series, Yttrium, why Zarnab, Mutak, Rude per AgCd. तो एक टीचर ने बोला जर्नब को, वाई जर्नब मुँह तक रूड़े, मेरा मुँह क्यों देख रहा है? पर एबीसीडी ना बोल के बोल दिया एजीसीडी, एबीसीडी ना बोल के बोल दिया एजीसीडी, क्योंकि उसका मुँह में पान था, तो एबीसीडी ना बोल के सुनाई दिया एजीसीडी. तो उसने बोला वाई जर्नब मुँह तक रूड़े पर एजीसीडी. So from this we can get yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, mercury, silver and cadmium. Then come to 5D series. कोई W नाम का एक लड़का को बोल रहा है ला हफ्ता W रे, हफ्ता लेने के लिए बोला W को. So क्या लेके आएगा वो? 5 element which are very precious. Osmium which is having high oxidation state +8. Iridium and platinum, they can be used as catalysts in organic reactions, very precious. Gold, we all know very pretty well, a little kid also know that gold is a very precious material. and mercury is also be precipitated because it is the only metal which is liquid at room temperature. So La of the W ray, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. So from this you can get lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, the wolfram, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. So I think with this you can have the 30 elements of D block family in your grip. S block and P block I have given you earlier, but if you want again, you can write to me in my WhatsApp number. I can give you. But now since we are dealing with D and F block elements, I have given the technique, and we are at the end of D block elements. We have finished D block elements. We are going to start F block elements. So I have given this very technique to remember or to memorize these, at least these 3 series or 30 elements of D block family or 30 members of D block family. Okay, so with this I want to conclude my lecture here for today. All the best. A very hard-working attitude should be there. All the best for your final exam, entrance exam, which is coming in the year 2021. So with this I want to end here. Thank you, my dear students.